The viewers of this video are requested to see the previous video first before seeing this present video. In the previous video, I have shown the definition of the divide function, and here we are proceeding ahead. And in this we will discuss about the homework that I had given in the past video. In the past video, the viewers were requested to divide the array and continue to divide the array until the viewers get many arrays of size 1, and after doing that homework, the viewers may be anxious about the correctness of their homework. So I also have done that homework too, and the summary of my homework will be shown to the viewers as the first page of this video. If you see the first look, the starting look of this video, then you can see my homework. In that homework, you will see that there are 4 divide functions, because we have to complete a homework. In that, you have to use the divide function again and again, so that our array may be divided in many number of arrays, each of size 1. And during this process, you will notice that the divide function works for 4 times, as the size of the array taken by me as an example was 5. So the divide function worked 4 times, that is size minus 1. Accordingly, the conquer function also worked 4 times, because in each divide function there was a conquer function. So if you have completed this homework, then we are ready to go for the conquer function. And here in this video we will discuss a little about the conquer function. Not the whole thing about the conquer function, but a little. And if you have completed that homework, if you have seen my homework as a first look of this video, then you will notice 4 conquer function, and these 4 conquer function can be written as I show you here on the screen. 2, here is the third, and this is the 4th and the last. You will notice 4 conquer functions, but in these 4 conquer functions, all the values of the variables are not the same. I show you. If you have completed, then you may have realized the same thing. In the first concur function, the value of first is 0. The value of mid is 2. The value of the last is 4. In the second concur function, the value of first is 0. The value of the last is, the value of the mid is 1 and the value of the last is 2. In the third concur function, the value of the first is 3. The value of the mid is 3. The value of the last is 4. And in the last concur function, the value of the first is 0. The value of the mid is 0 and the value of the last is 1. So, if you notice the screen, then you observe that the values of the variables are not the same. And one more thing that I have to say, that if you see the entire process of this merge sort discussed so far, then you will notice that during the program run, the running starts from the bottom. That is, fourth concur function will run first, thereafter the second last. And why is it so? This is very important. If you see the entire process including the past video, then you can learn, you can know why these four concur functions run from the bottom, not from the top. So here, as the values are different, so we have to define this concur function in such a way that it may work in all situations. Here is 4 situations. There may be 1000 situations, because here we have 4 concur functions, because in the past video these 4 concur functions are according to the example taken by me in the past video. If you take another example, then the number of such concur functions may decrease or increase. So, taking all situations into the account, we have to define this concur function. I have already defined the divide function. Now it is time to define this concur function, and in the next video I will show you the definition of this concur function in general, so that it may work in all situations. Okay, thanks.